Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. Really quick, just want to go over, show you a dried piece. This is for my last upload. This is titled Beautiful Chaos. I think it looks better dry than it did wet, so that's cool. Dried, no problem. It's gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. If you missed that video, just go to my channel and you can see, just scroll down a bit. It'll be the second video just before this one. I also have a few spinners available. I have 18 of them, so a lot of people are interested in spinners. If you want one, email me at ericahughesart@gmail.com and I'll link that, or I'll put that in the description below so you can grab it. This is a 14-inch it's a spinner. It's made out of MDF moisture resistant, so it's not going to warp or anything. That's it has like a green kind of hue off of it. That's the moisture resistant. I do have tabs on it. They come out, and I always throw a few extra of those just in case they get all gunked up. But I do always kind of put painter's tape around. Just, you know, it's a messy technique that we do. But yeah, I use these for the blooms. We'll probably do some Dutch pour blowouts maybe and spin some. I will be having some accessories that go along with these, and I'll let you guys know when I have those. If you've already purchased one of these, you could purchase the accessory if you want. It's specifically made for this same spinner, so all good. Yeah, so I'll ship anywhere in the world as long as you're going to pay the shipping. So shoot me an email if you're interested. Let me know where you are in the world so I can shoot you back straight away a shipping price. And yeah, if you're interested, just shoot me an email. Okay, so that's that. And let's just jump into this pour. Okay, as you can see, there's paint. There's a little bit more underneath this canvas. I just had a hideous pour, so I scraped it and I have the canvas kind of just drying off to the side over there. I'll shoot a picture up right somewhere around here for you guys. And I don't really want to talk about it, so I'll show you it though. Okay, all right, we're gonna go for a chaosy style. So I got my Amsterdam Prussian blue. I have zinc white by Amsterdam. I may throw in there. I have golden fluid acrylics cobalt turquoise. Okay, and then I have golden cobalt violet hue, and I added, just to add some more violet in, some quinacridone violet fluid acrylics by Golden. I just put a few drops just to change the color a little. And then I have this little piggy tail feather. I think that's it. So got my 24 by 12 inch. I think I already said that. Let's just go for it. Chaos style. I think I'm gonna chaos it maybe like this, blow it around, add in the Prussian blue. I don't know. I am gonna start off with just a little bit of the zinc white on the bottom just to kind of help me with my composition. So we'll just, which didn't do anything. Okay, anyway, so let's throw down some, do you know what? Some Prussian blue into that, and then the fluid acrylic cobalt turquoise. Okay. Now, plan is to have a lot of negative space, so we'll see. I'm going to go for my tail feather. Use it all up, will we? And Use the rest of that. I am going to throw in just some white, more white. And then we're going to blow it out. We're going to blend it together, I should say, and maybe work it around a little bit. And then we'll kind of the same thing that we did the last video. And here we go. Okay, and now we're going to go and I'm going to push that out of the way. We're going to fill in this. Okay, I'm just going to make sure I'm working with the deep edge canvas again, so we want to make sure we cover those edges. Okay, we can touch up if we need to. Sorry, now I'm just going to push around this Prussian blue to cover the canvas. Now we're just going to have a look-see. I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to add some white and just see the zinc white and see. I'm going to blow this out kind of first and see if it does something cool. If not, we won't do it again. Because I need a little bit more paint there anyway, just so it flows a bit better. The colors flow. Otherwise, if there's not enough paint for the colors to flow, they start to get squiggly and weird. So now I'm just going to kind of blow some of this out. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we did that with the white there. Then just going to add a little bit more of this just to let it flow, like I just said. And we'll blow this. It's really pretty. I'm going to try something here too. I'm going to put some more of that. And just see if we get some cool cells. I'm going to blow that over the color just a little and then blow it out. looking too bad, is it? I'm just gonna do some more over there. Let me put in some white there and kind of do what I did down here, just to do it. Okay. Okay. Where did I drop? Let's just do a little finger dip there, soften that up a bit. And push it in anyway. Okay, it's not too bad. Let's let it develop. I'm going to touch up my sides. I'm still debating. I need to flip it around. I know that because I feel like that's going to be like the bottom. And you guys are looking at it like the way I want to, but I want to see it that way as well to see if that's the orientation. I got some really cool like shimmery kind of underneath this Prussian blue in this corner over here. I'm liking. I like those kind of underwatery cells. I do like all this cobalt violet with the extra violet mix in it. So yeah, I'll turn it around, I'll touch up my sides, and then we'll kind of critique. Okay guys, here it is. I'll do a quick flyover without the flash, and then we'll stick the flash on. So I'm loving this right here, the movement A, and then I love how this kind of petal is overlapping this guy over here. It's neat. So it's not my greatest, it's not my worst. It's way better than the one I just scraped. So I don't know, I'm having an all right kind of in studio day. Not the greatest, but it's cool. I like the underwatery corner right there. It's okay. It's not the best. Flash on. Of course, there's going to be some shimmer. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.